Hey guys, John with Lux here. Today we're going to tint out this Focus ST taillight using LightWrap light smoke metal film. This is about 15 inches by 30 inches of film. So you can do this with our 2-yard universal kit. That's also going to give you enough film to do your rear reflectors and some of the other lights on the vehicle as well. So we're going to go ahead and start. I think the way I'm going to approach this is first tack the film down here, and I'm going to pull the film around the back side of the vehicle. From the backing paper, make sure that the film's in the right position to cover the whole light, so that looks good. You can see the repositionability in the film working. I'm able just to pick it back up and move it when I need to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat the surface of the film and put some horizontal stretch on it. While I'm doing that and applying it, I'm going to have Mitch take his hands and put it top and bottom and pull just a little bit. This is a laminated film, so you're going to want to warm it up nice. And it does have a little bit less stretch than just the regular film with no laminate on it. You also don't want the pattern to distort, so you want to get as much stretch evenly as possible. Okay, go ahead, put your hands there. Awesome. Now a little bit further. Move, nope, about 4 more inches, keep moving forward. See where the wrinkles are?
Yeah.
Now pull them, there we go. There you go, a little bit more. Okay, so there we go, that's the initial hit on the light. Everything looks good so far. We got this whole section right here laid down almost perfectly with that initial stretch. And back here, this won't be a problem. Let's get all this air out. Go ahead and work this bottom area. All I have to do is free the film off the car, heat it up, no apply. See how easy the air release makes it? Now we're gonna go ahead and move to the top part of the light here. Let's see, yeah, we'll just have to free the film, pop it up. Now we're not really pulling any stretch, just holding the film off the car. Start warming it up. Got a little wrinkle right here need to deal with. There we go. Warm this all back up. And now start applying the film. There we go, we got it all the way up to that top edge. You see we've got the paint of the vehicle taped off. That's to make this process easier. The tint doesn't want to stick to the tape, so it's a lot easier for me to push it back and get a real nice deep wrap. All that's left is to work this part. which you can see is real easy once you have it glassed out like we did right there. Pull that right off just a little bit. One little wrinkle. Heat gun, please. Thank you. See, we're just about done with this light. 5 minutes, not bad. We're doing good. So I want to make sure and get this front edge pushed way behind the light because we did put stretch on it this direction. That way when we heat it, it's going to shrink down onto that front tip. Not want to pull back on us later. That's it, please. Almost ready to trim. The only thing I gotta do is I still have to work this back corner right here. There we go. Got a real nice crisp edge to cut the film on the back side here. We may come back with a piece of mold and hold. We'll just see how that looks when we're done. Cutting on the fender side of the car, or the quarter panel, so that I end up with a little bit of extra tint to wrap under the light there. Same right there. It's really important that you get this film nice and hot when you work with it because it's laminated. All right. There we go. Every edge is cut perfect. Since pushed behind the light. Completely covered. And the metal sheen is nice and even. So we'll remove this tape and then we'll get some shots from around it.